Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my lecturer, Major Rosliza, and to all my friends. Okay, today our group would like to present about our project, which is drying red hanger clothes semi-auto. Okay, first of all, many companies nowadays take part in business innovation. Okay, same goes to us. Our company, which is Standard Tech Sdn Bhd, is the technology and manufacturing company, which is an innovative company that innovates the products to fulfill the customer's requirement. Okay. For your information, innovation is important to our company because it is the major of our business plan, and we use incremental innovation that are improvements to give a better outcomes. Okay, next, the objectives of company is to achieve net profit 100,000 a month in first year operation, and to build trust among customer, and also to increase sales by 5% every year. And our company is located in area Kajang. Okay, for the vision is to be leading household appliance supply in Kajang by 2030. Okay, for the mission of our company is to integrate new creative idea or innovation into existing product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Zakaria, and I will continue presenting the next slide, that is background of existing. Okay, as you can see here, this is an image of existing product and label of the important parts and component of the product. The important part is pillar, wheels, and clothesline. You can see there, I have highlighted and labeled it. Okay, next. Okay, the next slide is providing a brief description of the product. Our product description is an outdoor clothes hanger. It has a type of a rope, cord, or twine that has been stretched between 2 points that is between 2 poles. It is located outside of the house, and its height is above the level of the ground. Clothing that has recently been washed is hung along line to dry using clothespin, and clothespin. This is to prevent the clothes from fall down to the ground. Okay, for the next slide, I will pass to my group member.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hakimi, and I will continue to my friend that is the problem statement here. For the number one is require a lot of space. Okay, for the existing product is whether the space for the owner of the house to fully utilize it. For an example, existing product can take the space for car park or to play around the house. Okay, this problem will be at for the person have a small house and small space. Number two is needs to spend time to okay. All existing product is require the consumer to spend time to observe the clothes. Such as example, the consumer have to look out for the weather. If it's raining, they may have to go and fix all their clothes manually. And then if the consumer have cost to do its met is annoying. Okay, next slide is I will continue about why the product need innovated. Okay, there is two reasons. For number one is all design in the modernized year. The design of the existing product have okay, why this is because in this modernized years, consumer wants a product that are advanced and more feature product. They want a product that have a good bargain with their money and also affordable with that. Okay, for the reason number two is not a user-friendly product. The product is not a user-friendly. Why? This is because the consumer have to go outside of the house to hang and pick up their clothes. For some, this is not a big problem, but for other, disabled is to pick the side of the house. I think that's all from me, and thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Faraz bin Alijan and my partner
I'm Ahmad Muslim bin Badrul Hisham.
And for this we will type of innovation.
So first, our product innovation is incremental innovation. So for incrementation is a series of small improvement or upgrade made to existing products, service, process or methods. The change implemented through incremental innovation are usually focused on improving and products development efficiency, productivity, and competitive differentiation. So our product really from the hanger close, but we improve, make it with semi-auto gear. I will pass to my partner.
Okay, thank you, Muslim. We go to the product category. Product category is this product is the improvement in this product use they work like any other clothes hanger, but it's existed by a pulley system process of collecting clothes control using the application. And last product is also improved with an automatic system to the previous design, which does not have such a function. To produce the product, we need to for pieces. Polymer is like Beltin, brand Mitsubishi, and fiber 3 pieces, then dot sensor 1 piece, and lastly carbon steel, plate carbon steel sheet, which price 220. The total costing to produce our product is around 470 ringgit. Cent. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, man. Like, madam.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, and I'm going to continue about the previous slide. So my topic is about what we are working on. So I'm going to explain about the function of our product. Is the first function is burn control. The clothes are collected automatically when it rains, and clothes are released automatically for sun drying when the rain stop. The next function is light control. Clothes are collected automatically when it gets dark and don't have to wait until it gets dark. The next function is timer, which is it's designed to collect clothes at present time and you don't have to wait until it gets dark. The timer you can set is within 5 hours until 10th hour. So next is I'm going to explain about what we upgrade on the product. So let's look at the original product first. So we have this is the original product. The first is this is the sensor, and he puts a water on the sensor and it will move the clothesline. So the cloth will move towards the inside of the body. Okay. So our product have changed the design. The old design of the existing product have to be improved. In this modern year, consumer want a product that have a good bargain with their money. The next improvement is rotation clothesline. The product is not user friendly. This is because the consumer had to go outside of the house to hang and pick up their clothes. For some, this is not a big problem, but for others, such as disabled person and old person, this is a major issue. The third upgrade is the sensor system. Currently, you can see on the video they have only offer one sensor, which is the rain sensor. On our product, we have a 3 sensor, which is rain, light, and timer sensor. So next slide will be presented by Taufik.
Okay, thank you, Margaret. Okay, we are going to proceed with the functional, how the product works. So can you present the product? Okay, these are our products. So firstly, the product is we present is use the pulley system, which is it will pulse and pull the belting at the design. So this is we get from the lift system. Okay, secondly, for the system, it is include with the Internet of the Thing, which is the system is of the bar can control by the phone, by the apps via the phones. So the sensor, so if we look at the product, it have a sensor at the front of the bar, at the product. So the sensor it used to detect the weather and send it to the apps. So if the bad weather, we can if the weather is bad, the bar will move. The bar, if you see at the screen, the bar will move to the back of the body, or we call it a safe space to avoid the cloth to basah lah, orang cakap bahasa Melayu. So the next is, okay, can you proceed the next slide, Arid? Okay, so the next slide is the functional, how the product are used. Firstly, anyone have the smartphone can use for the product. Firstly, the consumer have to download our app, which is the drying hanger clothes semi-auto, our products, at the App Store or the OS Store. OS Store. Firstly, they have to register their personal information. The secondly is connect our product with your home Wi-Fi. If the step is finished, you good to go. You can customize the time that you want to pick up your clothes, how many clothes that you want to hang, clothes finish pick up reminder, and you can even customize clothes pick up reminder ringtone. So at the product we have the ringtone. So if the clothes are dry, the ringtone will play from the product. After that, our greater feature of the product spring into the action. The feature that we have our product is Internet of the Thing. That help you to monitor your clothes when you are away. So the Internet of the Thing is if the clothes are already dry, you can use your apps to monitor the clothes. Secondly, if you are away and you look at the weather are not okay, you can switch on the apps and mobilize the cloth at the bar to the safe at the same like I explained fast. Okay, next. Okay, next is we do with IR 4.0 technology element adapted in the product. So the feature that we have in our innovation product is the Internet of the Thing, improve the network and connectivity of the smart device. We have an app connect to your smart device such as smartphone and smartwatch. They help you to monitor your clothes when you are away. The apps also will alarm you when your clothes are ready dry and will show you clothes will fully dry. In our product, we use the autonomous robot feature, which is the pulley system, bar, and the belting system. And the lastly is the sensor that I already explained to you. The sensor will detect the weather. If the weather, it not the only when the rain start, it will detect your weather if the high moisture in the air, it will detect, it will go to the space, to the back. So it very, very helpful for the new feature of the IR 4.0. That's all for our parts.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fatina Diamtin Suraman. I will proceed with target market. So what is target market? Target market is refer to a group of potential customer to whom we want to sell our product. So there are huge type of market today. I will proceed with target market. So what is target market? Target market is refer to a group of potential customer to whom we want to sell our product. So there are huge type of market today. In this case, we choose a consumer market. Consumer market is represented by a person and family buy goods, stuff for personal convenience or their priorities in their daily life. This consumer market can be categorized or segment into a several group. But in our case, we choose a demographic and psychographic graph to show to you. So here we can see the demographic graph, which is categorized by age, marital status, income level, and occupation. So demographic graph is show us who has need our products and who most likely to buy our product. So here we target which is age from 30 to 40 to mostly buy our product because of their income level and occupation is most higher than the 20 to 30 years and 40 above. So next, we proceed with psychographic graph. Psychographic graph show us the personal characteristic of a person, which is their interest on the product, their lifestyle that need the product, and their behavior, and also the personality. So here we can see the 39%, the higher percentage is lifestyle. Which people today is so busy with their work, so their work, and they also have their children to take care of, so they need our product to help their daily lifestyle. Next, we proceed with the benefit and value of our product is first is make compliance easier to use our product. Second is better customer experience, which they can experience the technology today. Third is suitable to the current use of technology with the IR 4.0 concept. This product will be linked with our smart gadget, which is like our smartphone, our tab, and also can be linked with the laptop. And that's all from me. Thank you.